Hello everyone, and welcome to DeGate's product update series for May 2024. In this series, I go over all the changes and upgrades made to the app since our last video. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. The first thing we did was added a sleek new animation between loading screens. So that's pretty cool, pretty neat stuff. The next change that we did was if you go to your wallet up here, we added a quick disconnect button. So what's really cool about this is to increase security, this is a one-click button. It will not ask you to confirm. It'll not ask you to put in your password. As soon as you click it, you have been disconnected. So if you ever want to step away from your computer for a bit, or if you don't feel safe, quickly disconnect, easy as possible. The major change that we did for this product update video is located in the grid strategy button. So if you click it, we completely redesigned the whole tab here. So we really want to try to, it's a balancing game between giving you guys as much information as possible and not overwhelming and overcomplicating and making it look just like an eyesore. So we try to balance it. But here, to make it even clearer for you guys, you can see the profit per grid, the number of grid, the price range. You can play around with it here, automatic or manually make your own. But what's really cool, what we did, was we allow for now single asset grid strategies. What does that mean? Normally, how it used to be was if you wanted to trade ETH USDC on this grid strategy, you would need ETH and you would need a USDC, and you need to set the grids accordingly. This was found to be a little bit tedious / annoying for people because it's kind of difficult to balance out the ratio of how much token of each you need, and it changes based on their relative prices. So when you're trading a volatile asset and you're trying to calculate how you can split up your two assets in this grid strategy, it's very confusing, especially for people who might not have enough experience with grid trading. So what we did was we now allow single asset grid strategies. So instead of ETH and USDC, you can click right here and do only USDC, and it'll automatically create the grid strategy for you with a single asset. So now you don't have to be playing around, buying the other asset, selling a little of the other asset, playing around. Very simple. This is a game changer in my opinion when it comes to grid strategies. Definitely something to take a look at and to read more about. Play around with it. Check out the new things we did. Very cool stuff. Another aspect that we added to DeGate, which I was a big proponent of, I'm very excited to see this. It is currently only available for ETH USDC on the normal trading, but we now introduced a stop limit order. So this is really cool, especially when you're dealing with assets that run 24/7, 365. You need a way to protect yourself in case of any downturn and really lock in the profit that you earned. So now you can set up a stop limit at any moment, whether that be for selling or for buying. So this is a really cool thing just for people who have never used it before. Once it hits the stop price, whatever that price be, it will automatically place the limit price in the order book. So you'll also save on the gas fees because these are not maker orders. So that's basically how it works, and it's a cool feature. Currently, like I said, only in ETH USDC, but we're just testing it now. We're just implemented it, but I'm sure it will be added to more pairs, hopefully all of the pairs in the future. So yeah, very cool stuff. Another thing I want to talk about is we currently have a campaign going on, which can be found on our Twitter right here. It is a $20,000 USDC giveaway, where as you can see right here, 5 winners every week, 1,000 USDC per winner for 4 weeks. So every single Tuesday, we will have a draw, and you can earn yourselves a higher chance to win by getting tickets. In order to get tickets, the general idea here is it's about your volume that you're trading weekly. Will get you X amount of tickets. For how much? But also, it depends on how many pairs you're trading. So you really want to, if you want to maximize it, you're going to trade 50,000 per week. And if you want to maximize it here, you're going to trade at least 8 different pairs. And this will give you the highest chance to earn yourself some USDC. Very cool stuff here. Highly recommend you take part. Going back here, that's basically it. So although very cool stuff, not a lot to cover, but the content is definitely quality that we did cover. And these ideas all came from the community. People like you watching have given us ideas, given us suggestions. Let us know what you want to see and we want to implement it. A lot of people wanted the stop losses. We added it. You guys were a little bit confused about the grid trading on 2 different assets and balancing it. We fixed it. And it was all done by people like you pressing this feedback button, top right corner. Share your feedback. Don't have to sign up. You don't need an account. You don't need to jump through all these hoops. Write whatever you want. Submit it. Positive or negative. If there's something you really love, let us know so we keep it. Because as you see, we're constantly innovating. We're constantly changing things. So either way, if you love it, let us know. If you hate it, let us know. If you have a better idea, let us know. You can upload a Word document, a PDF. You can even go to calendly.com/DeGate, and it'll take you to this screen where you can set up a 30-minute meeting with a member of our team and discuss further if you have an idea, especially if you're an experienced trader, if you have experience with grid trading or DCA. We want to hear from you. So please do not be shy. Reach out. We love to hear from you. This is built by the community, for the community. And yeah, we'd love to hear it. No stupid questions. So that wraps up this month's product update. Happy trading. I hope you guys like what we're doing, and we're going to keep on coming out with more stuff. So thanks, guys. I'll catch you next time. See ya.